Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable the Count Unread Messages option in the Telegram app on your PC. If you're tired of seeing that little badge with the number of unread chats every time you open the app, this update makes it really easy to turn it off. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. Next, find and click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram works and looks on your device. Inside the Settings menu, select Notifications and Sounds. This section controls all the alerts, tones, and message indicators you receive. Now, scroll down a little until you find the option that says Count Unread Messages. By default, this feature is usually turned on, which is why you see those numbers beside your chats or folders. To disable it, simply click to turn the switch off. Once you do that, Telegram will stop displaying the total number of unread messages across your chats. It's a small change, but it can make your Telegram experience feel less cluttered and more peaceful, especially if you're part of many active groups or channels.